Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today I've got a treat for you. I have an app, okay, that I think you'll like. It's called the PromptDeck app. So what it basically is going to do is that you can take a screenshot of a graphics that you like, let's say from Etsy, Amazon. You can paste it, right, or you can upload it if you have it saved on your hard drive. The app is going to reverse engineer. It's going to give you the original prompting, and it's going to give you 4 variants. The program has 16 variants built in that you can randomize it. I mean, it's got a whole bunch of features, and hopefully I'll be able to go over it. So let's see how this works. First, we need to go to Etsy, right? I've already done that. I'm over here on Etsy. I typed in the best sellers, and let's say, let's not do that one. Let's say we pick this one right here, okay? So we want to take a screenshot. So I'm going to use my screenshot app. I'm going to do a screenshot. Okay, I got that now. Okay. And now we're going to go to the app and we're going to paste it. I'm going to go Control V. I'm going to paste it. And then I'm going to hit the generate 4 styles. Might take a little bit. Now, if this is working as it should give you the original prompt, and it's going to give you 4 variants: dark academic, academia, gothic. It's going to give you a flat design icon style. It's going to give you a line art or single line illustration, and this one here is vintage distressed screen print. Now, if we go up here, it's going to give you all 16 styles that the program has built in. Right? Now you can manually choose them from here, or you can just hit the random and it's going to automatically pick four for you. All right. So then what we do is we go to one of my favorites online, because it takes too long on my computer. So now we're going to take this prompt and we're going to see how does it look. Let's start off with the original. So here's the original. Now remember, guys, I'm not advocating for strictly copying, right? This is so you can get ideas. You want to add something to it. So we'll go over here and we're going to plug it in here because this is a lot faster than my computer. Okay, it's going to take a little while, so I'm going to have to speed it up. And then I'm just going to come back and just show you what they look like. All right, so that's the first one. Okay, so it's finally finished doing its thing, and I'm going to show you 7 or 8 different versions. So let's take a look at what the program has generated. All right, so here's the original one. Okay, we have the original one. This one is a dark academia and gothic. Actually, I kind of like it. It's pretty good. I think it's probably one of the best ones. Here is a modern flat design icon illustration. It kind of looks more like a sticker. Here is the continuous single line drawing art style, if you like that kind of thing. Here is a vintage 1990s bootleg poster. Here is a 1970s groovy psychedelic art illustration. Here is a modern urban skate art aesthetic illustration. And finally, we have a whimsical cottage core aesthetic illustration. I think it's a little bit, not crisp and sharp. Now remember, depending on the model that you use, I am using Z-Image Turbo over at Tensor.art, which is a free site that allows you to get anywhere from 25 flux images to almost 100 Z-Image. Now Z-Image is very good. It does text pretty good. And so you can do, you can basically do 100 images per day per account, and you can have multiple accounts. So you could literally spend all day generating. But I just wanted to show you some of the benefits of this app. Like I said, you have 16 different art styles. You can randomize it. Now, I'm not going to go through all 16, right? It also has the ability to, you can do whatever you want. Let's say you want it to be a dog. All right. Let's see. Make, well, I'm going to spell it right. Make it a dog. All right. Then you hit the refined, and it will change all prompts to have a dog. So here you go. It says a whimsical cotton core aesthetic illustration of a stylized dog with a gentle eyes playing the electric guitar. We can also come over here and say we want to do halftone. All right. So then we can hit that, and it'll refine it. Okay. So now it says it's a whimsical cottagecore aesthetic illustration of a stylized dog with gentle eyes. Playing the guitar. The artwork features soft hand-painted watercolor textures, a half-tone screen print dot effect, a pastel. So, I mean, this thing is just crazy awesome. So I just wanted to share this with you. Hopefully you are enjoying my my content. Again, I apologize. I'm not here to give you one of those making $1 million or $100,000 or $10,000. I'm just here showing you some of the tools that I am using. Oh, hold on a second. I didn't even realize. Okay, no, it just says that these prompts will work with Midjourney, Flux, DALL-E, or SDXL, which I believe is Stable Diffusion. Not quite sure what the extra L is. But ladies and gentlemen, I really hope that you've learned that using this app, you can literally crank out different variations. You can tweak them, you can make them your own. But just the built-in 16 prompts, or I should say 16 styles, is just awesome. So again, we don't want to copy a bestseller or a popular noun. We want to incorporate the elements, and then you can change it. Like I said, you can change this to a dog. You can change this to a raccoon. You can change this to anything that you want. You can change the complete prompt by filling in your own prompt. And remember, it's going to give you the original reverse engineer prompt. Now let's face it, most apps like Kiddo and other ones will allow you to do this. But this one here is, I think, awesome. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. And remember, you can go to any graphics, whether it's from Etsy, whether it's from Amazon. Sometimes I will get inspirations from Pinterest. Every day I get 3 or 4 emails from Pinterest with designs. If you see something that you like, right, you can just copy and paste it or do a screenshot, right? And this will give you some inspirations. You can run it through your favorite AI, Ideogram, Leonardo, whatever you decide to use. This will give you some variations that you can create for your t-shirts, your sweaters, your hoodies, your mugs, practically just about anything. I'm pretty sure that this will even take some artwork and give you variations. I haven't tried that feature yet. That might be for a future video. But right now, ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoy this, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.